How to get $150 Natural Life promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Natural Life promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Natural Life. For this video, I'm gonna use this one website, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. Free shipping, $20 off, 50% off, and many more. Just scroll and check. Then you can head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on the offer. Here's the code, copy it. Then click on redeem at naturallife.com. You'll be directed to the official website. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount in your order. Likewise, make sure to try out all the offers, as in this page you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Natural Life. This way you can easily get up to $150 Natural Life promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.